don't try to force it because there's so much trade opportunities in these markets. I think the thing that matters the most is not trying to take every trade opportunity, it's trying to understand the trade opportunities you're going to be taking. Because once you understand what you're going to do and how you're going to do it, more opportunities will present itself. Right? That's why I said just focus on one simple thing at a time. Um,
I think that's where I'm at the moment. I'm really starting to see some trades open up, but I'm just at that point where I'm not pulling the trigger, so it's a bit frustrating.
yeah, and so I think that that has a lot more to do with like practicing and working yourself at just applying yourself to understanding markets when they stall at certain areas of resistance or support, and how much times you needed to rotate at those areas to get you confident in taking the trade, right? My confidence level shoots like skyrockets when I see the market rotate twice and can't break cleanly through a level, right? That's why I had no fear in that trade at 2850, because if it wanted to come down, it should have came down after the first touch down to the next minor support at 26 area, right? But it didn't. It literally stalled at the same exact area and then held that price up. So in a bullish market, you, when you understand that, you see that what you're doing is you're trading with the momentum anyway. You're trading with the trend. So you have like the best thing on your side, meaning that you got a bunch of buyers that would at bare minimum pop that back up to 34, 35. You're not trying to go against a whole trend and a whole momentum. So it's just, it's a matter. That's why I say when you take trades, highlight them so you can see what they look like and what you're comfortable with. Um,
Just put a post up there on Discord there, David. That's what I'm seeing all the time.
yeah. So you see how and I wonder if I probably can't annotate on this, but I probably could. Can I use this for a second?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Like this was just a quick look as you were talking, like what I could see there.
Yeah, yeah, no, absolutely. So one thing you want to understand is you see this little peak right here, right there. I'm
Yep,
just gonna highlight that. You see this area? If I were to take this line and extend it to the left, you see
yep,
that one, two. You see this one, two,
yep,
right? Right off that peak. You see this peak right here. If I were to take that line and extend it, you see this one, two. That's your slingshot trade.
yep. Cool.
See how it cleanly holds the level, doesn't break through? The same concept can be applied to any market. It's the same thing we used even on gold trade. So still trying to hold this through 1808.
What
Uh,
what tick chart is that, Nick?
That's me. Eight tick on the gold.
Oh, gold. Okay.
Yeah,
yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. And you have the same thing right here too.
yeah. And that's where I would have been looking getting long.
hmm And you have it like when I say you'll see it more times when you look for it, it's because you'll look for the market to move up and then come back down, and you'll see that it stalls at the exact level. And when you
Yeah,
see that, that's your indication for a bullish pop, right? Or a
yeah,
slingshot. Same thing happens here. Same thing happens there. That's why it matters more about you identifying what you need to see before you enter the trade.
yeah, yeah.
Because
Definitely.
once you can identify what you need to see before you enter the trade, more opportunities will come up along the way when you get really good at it. Because you'll see it, oh, it hit this level, didn't go through. You'll see it come back, it did the same exact thing. You won't even hesitate anymore. You just take the trade because you
Right.
see what you need to see. But that's what I
Well,
mean. Like if you don't know what you need to see, that's something you got to really focus your energy on. Like you got to focus your attention on, okay, if this is my level, right? Or if this was my level, what did the market do? Do I have micro levels in between? Where are my micro levels? And are we stalling at those micro levels enough for me to get long on a trade or to get short?
yeah. Like as you're talking now, I am seeing more, and like with what you've just shown me there now, it's even opening it up more for me.
Yeah. Like for me, like once I see something happen, even on this gold, like I'd like to take the trade up higher, but with gold, I'll take this off for a second. Move this away. With gold, we're double topping right now. Not to say that we won't go up higher, but to say that you see this bottom level right here.
Yeah.
You see right where we held that one touch
Yeah.
and 2 touches. We didn't go any higher. It stalled at the exact level. That means that that's a clean double top for it to pull down, and it's
Yeah.
best for me to exit the long position. Doesn't mean I can't hold it. It just means it's gonna come back a little bit deeper, and I don't want to be in the long anymore. I'd rather just take my profits. You know,
Yeah.
if somebody's not in a position, they can easily say that's a good short opportunity if I want to fade the actual trend, right? If somebody is wanting to be trading with the trend, then your support's at 1806.7, that prior level of resistance. And if you look at that exact level, the market just bounced off the exact same level, gives you a slingshot trade right back up.